Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the information processing. What do you mean by that? It is to analyze the visual information. Okay, so visual information, by using that we can find the route. Okay, from where to where we are traveling, how much distance, which is the shortest, which is the longest, which is the easiest, which is the fastest. Okay, so to use the visual representation, this chapter is fully about the visuals which you can enjoy in this chapter. Okay, so just we are going to talk about the tetrominas. So that is also, what do you mean by that? That come, let us discuss about this. Okay, now here, what do you mean by tetrominas? Okay, first we should discuss about what do you mean by domino and trinomino. Okay, let me show you here. Tetramino. It is nothing but it is essential to have an idea about domino, which I have underlined you. You can see that domino and trinomino. Is it clear? Trinomino. That means joining of two squares. Okay, so joining of two squares with 1 centimeter. I am showing in the video, joining of two squares of side 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, edge to edge. Such formation is called as domino. That means if we join two squares in any of the form, okay, maybe it is horizontal, vertical, in any way it might be. If it is like that, then it is called as domino. Okay, then what is trinomino? Trinomino is nothing but joining of three squares. Okay, joining of three squares, that is called as trinomino. As I am showing you the green part which is having the 3, and moreover red color that is also with 3. So the three square shapes, is it clear? In the form of three square shapes in the form of given as a trinomino. Okay, and next we are going to talk about the tetramino. What do you mean by the tetramino? Tetra means it is nothing but 4. So all the formation of 4 squares, that is called as tetramino. Now I am showing here different shapes for the combination of 4 squares. Okay, so 4 tetraminos. Tetraminos means actually it is a 4 squares. So now we have seen that what is domino, trinomino and tetramino. 2 squares, 3 squares and 4 squares. Is it clear? Okay, then the next part is how to we are going to use these domino, trinomino and tetramino in the exercise part. See, in that exercise 6.1, it is asked that a tetramino is a shape obtained by dash squares. Now only we discuss that tetramino means it has actually 4 squares. So you can write the answer to be 4. Draw a tetramino which passes the symmetry. We can draw the 4 shapes. 4 squares. That is a tetramino. So which gives a symmetry means, symmetry means like a mirror image. How we are seeing your face in the mirror. It is the symmetry part. Okay. Then next, third Roman letter is complete the table. They've asked you to complete the table here, which I have shown here. It is in the form of the angles. They have given 90 degree and 180 degree. For 270 degree you have to draw, which I have shown you. That is also like 4 squares. Okay. And for the second thing, it is 180 degree. Okay, and then for 270 degree. So we have to draw in this way. That means we are just moving the shape in terms of 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, as we used to do for the angles. 90 degree means it is a right angle, 180 means it is straight angle. So according to that we are moving the shapes and we are just drawing the figures. It's clear, ma? Okay. Now the fourth question is shade the figure completely by using the 5 tetramino shapes only once. See, here we have to use the 5 colors here. Even I use 5 colors. But black I have repeated twice. Is it clear? So tetramino means 4 squares we have to combine. So 4 squares in any form. Any form, maybe horizontal, vertical, any form. Now I have shown here that 4 squares. See here, here I have shown you. This is one type of tetramino. And this is one type of tetramino. This is another type. And this is another type. And this is another type. So totally I have used here 5 shapes, because the question asks us to use the 5 tetramino shapes. So we have used the 5 shapes here. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Then the fifth question is for your homework. You are going to do that. And sixth question, match the tetrominos of the same type, which has been like it is just a matching. Even you can do on your own by just seeing this figure, okay, which is equal to this and this are equal, okay, and then this as well as this one are equal, and this part is equal, okay, and the last this and this are equal. So we can write in terms of the numbers, okay. This is just the match the following. Okay, then next question is, using the given tetrominos with numbers, complete the 4 to 4 magic squares. They have given the 4 squares. Just we are going to place that. Okay, so we are going to place that, but when you add, you have to check that it should give the same value. Is it clear, ma? So just that's I have represented you. You can add and see, and you can understand how we have placed. We have to just think and we have to give the numbers here. That's it. Okay. Then we are going to see about the next one is the route map. What do you mean by the route map? Route map is what is actually a map. Map is nothing but to get an idea from where to where we are traveling, and which is the shortest way and which is the longest way, and which way if we have to go to reach our destination. So that is the route map. Okay, where from where to where we are traveling, which is the shortest point, which is the longest point, which is the easiest point. So by using that, we are going to discuss some sums now. Okay, in exercise 6.2, it is given that first question, make a model of fish using the given tetramino shapes. This you can do. They have given the fish model. They have given the 4 tetraminos. You are going to place that. Okay, it is like a funny game. You can do that. Okay, and then complete the given rectangle using the given tetramino shapes. They are asking you how many times you have to do it. It's like a game part only you can do. Third one, you see, shade the figure completely by using the 5 tetramino shapes that I have done for you. So first one I have taken pink, next blue, yellow, green, and then the brown. Okay, so here they have given the 5 shapes to us. These 5 shapes you are going to place here. You are going to give the color. I have written in name. You are going to give the color. Okay, just we are going to place the shapes in the given box. That's all. And then fourth question, using the given tetraminos, yes, with numbers on it, complete the 4 to 4 magic square. So it is given that it is a magic square. While adding, you should get the same number. Now see, for example, 16 plus 3 plus 2 plus 13. So you will be getting the value as 35, I think so. See, listen, when you add what you are getting, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 2. 21, 21 plus 13, 34. Actually 34. So if you add all these squares, see now 5 plus 10 plus 11 plus 8. So if you add that also, you'll be getting 34. Like that, we have to arrange the numbers. Okay, ma? Then find the shortest route to Vivekananda Memorial Hall to Mandapam, from the Mandapam. That means from the Mandapam to you are going to Vivekananda Memorial Hall. They are asking which is the shortest distance. By seeing itself, we can say very easily. In between we have, see here, it is Mandapam is there, and then Kurusadai Island is there, and then Pulivasal Island is there. If we go by the Pulivasal Island, it is too lengthy to us. But if we go by Kurusadai Island, then it is very easiest to us. So we can go with Mandapam to Kurusadai Island and to Vivekananda Memorial Hall. Okay, by traveling 7 plus 1.5 kilometers, that is 8.5 kilometers, we can reach our Vivekananda Memorial Hall. Is it clear, ma? Okay, that is the distance which we can utilize here. Then the last question here, observe the picture and answer the following questions. They have given, it is a route from A, B, C, D, E, F and G. From each distance, one distance or another distance, you have some meters. Now they asked, the first question is, find all the possible routes from A to D. That means A to D, which are the possible routes we have. I've shown you now A to D, we can go with A, G and D, or we can go with A, B and D. Okay, only the two possible ways we have. Either I should go by A, G and D, or I should go by A, B and D. Is it clear? That is the answer for the first question. And the second question is find the shortest distance between E and C. So what is the distance between E and C? If you have to go by E and C, there is only one way is there. Okay, E to D and then D to B and then B to C. Actually, it is given that E to C. So directly I can go with E to D and D and C. Is it clear? If I go ED, DB, BC means it is long. ED to DC. So 120 plus 200, it is 320 meter, which is the answer for that. And find all the possible routes between B and F with distance. Mention the shortest route they have asked. So we have to go from B to F. Is it clear? So from B to F I should go means I can take which is the possible route. This one easily it will be the distance. So either I can go by B to D, D to E and E to F. Or else I can go by B to A to G and G to F. So routes were there. I can choose any one. But they ask that shortest route. Shortest route means if I take 250 plus 100, 350. 350 plus 150, 500. And if I go by this way, 100 plus 120, it is 220. 220 plus 300, it is 520. So it is better that BA, AG and GF. That is better shortest distance for this, I think. Yes, it completes this chapter for you. Thank you.